Welcome to Horror Health, a channel dedicated to providing healthy tips. Topic: Sexual health awareness, the key to safer, more enjoyable sex. Once again, welcome to Horror Health, a channel dedicated to providing healthy tips. Disclaimer: please always consult your doctor. Topic: Sexual health awareness, the key to safer, more enjoyable sex. Click on the link at the video description for more. Life is too short yet too wonderful to be wasted by a reckless and wanton lifestyle. Today's generation has become very independent, expressive, and liberated when it comes to sexuality. In this fast-paced culture where conventions are being broken and rules are relative and no longer absolute, it is important to be well informed about the various aspects of life, most especially about the issue of sexuality. Knowing how to protect yourself and those who matter to you from sexually transmitted diseases starts with getting the right facts. Quite obviously, it is very important to be aware of your sexual health. Sexual health is not just the absence of the disease or about dysfunctions and infirmities in sexual performance. It is a state of physical, emotional, psychological and social well-being with regards to one's sexuality. Addressing sexual health issues involves a complex web of factors such as attitude, behavior, genes, environment, and economy. Of course, it inevitably tackles sexual health problems such as STD, HIV, pregnancy, abortion, infertility, cancer, and a wide range of sexual dysfunctions. Sexually transmitted disease. Sexually transmitted diseases, STDs, are diseases caused by viruses, bacteria, and parasites. STD can easily be transmitted through body contact during sex. There are at least 25 different sexually transmitted diseases that can be spread during sexual contact, especially during vaginal, anal, and oral sex. Sometimes, STDs take a long time to detect since some of the symptoms may appear only when the disease is in the advanced stages. The following are some of the most common STDs that affect individuals who engage in unprotected sex: chlamydia, gonorrhea, bacterial vaginosis, crabs or pubic lice, epididymitis, genital herpes, genital warts, gut infections, hepatitis, molluscum, non-specific urethritis, scabies, syphilis, thrush, trichomonas vaginosis, and balanitis. Looks can be deceiving. It's not easy to tell if the person beside you has STD or other illnesses for that matter, just by the way that person looks and acts. There are STDs that do not show any obvious signs. Symptoms can be very subtle that the person infected may not even know it. For that reason, it is very important to have a regular health checkup, even when you feel healthy. Some of the common early signs of STD include skin infections or sores, as well as any unusual discharge or pain while urinating. Click on the link at the video description for more. Importance of STD awareness and prevention. Early detection of STD is crucial to avoid serious infections and to prevent long-term or permanent damage. Untreated STD may cause infertility and can be passed on from a pregnant mother to her unborn child. Sexually transmitted diseases can also be easily passed on to sexual partners and can aid in the transmission of HIV. Abstinence is the surest thing to avoid STD. But you don't have to be a killjoy just to be free of this dreaded STD. The practice of safe sex can greatly help in minimizing risk from STD. Always use condoms during sexual intercourse or dental dams for oral sex. Make sure to sanitize sex toys before and after use. Observe genital hygiene routines, as well as keeping your hands clean at all times. It is best to consult your professional healthcare provider for advice on getting tested for STD. It is also worth mentioning that those who are in a relationship must not automatically consider an infected partner as having been unfaithful. Getting STD is not always a consequence of unprotected sex. Infections can also happen due to unsanitary practices in a medical facility, for example, the use of a contaminated needle and syringe. Indeed, sex is a natural human activity that should be openly discussed. One must learn to practice a positive and respectful approach to sexuality and sexual relationships. By increasing awareness about the sexual rights of every individual, people will have a healthier outlook towards sex. Sexual activities should be enjoyed to the fullest. However, maintaining mutual respect and making sure both partners are protected must always be a top priority. Click on the link at the video description for more. Please subscribe to our channel for more healthy tips always.